In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload and manage files Squarespace 7.0. To begin, open the page or section in Squarespace where you want to add a downloadable file link. This process starts inside a text block, so locate the text you want visitors to click on. Once you have found it, highlight that text carefully. This could be a word, a phrase, or a short call to action, depending on how you want the link to appear on your site. With the text highlighted, click the link icon. This is the chain-shaped icon in the text editor. Selecting this opens the link settings, where you can choose what type of link you want to attach to the selected text. Since you want to upload and connect a file, look to the menu on the left side and click the File tab. This tells Squarespace that the link should point to a file instead of a regular web page or external URL. Next, click Upload File. Your computer will open a file selection window. From there, choose the file you want to use. Make sure you select the correct version before continuing, especially if you are uploading something like a PDF, document, or downloadable resource that visitors will access directly from your site. After the file uploads, take a moment to confirm that everything completed properly. You should see a check mark next to the uploaded file name. That check mark is important because it shows the file has been successfully attached and is ready to use. If you do not see it, wait a moment and verify that the upload has finished before moving on. Once the file is selected and the check mark is visible, click Save. This stores the file link inside the link settings. After that, click Apply to attach the file link to your highlighted text in the text block. At this point, your text is now connected to the uploaded file and visitors will be able to click it to access the file. As a final tip, it is always a good idea to test the link after saving your changes. That way you can confirm the correct file opens and the visitor experience works as expected. That covers everything you need to know.